Before the video starts, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to be up to date with all my newest videos. Now, let's get into the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best render settings for Sony Vegas or regular Vegas. Okay, so let's say this is our video. All you need to do is drag the yellow marker from the beginning of the video to the end of the video if you're rendering the whole thing. Click render, add, wait for it to load. So what you want to do is you want to click Sony AVC/MVC, click on that. Go to Internet 1920 by 1080 30p, press customize template. What you're going to want to do next is keep it on AVC, keep it on 1920 by 1080, change the frame rate to 59.94 at 60 FPS. Now once you do that, you should be done, and as soon as you're done, just press OK. Make sure you press the star button on the one you just customized, and then it'll be saved next time you do it. Another thing you can also do is when you go to properties, and then go to project properties, go to video, and then resample mode, always put that on disable. Most of the time it ends up in better quality. The rest should just be like this: 1920 by 1080, of course, 60 FPS, disable, resample, Gaussian, and good. You could put it on best, and it's the same thing. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. If you guys want any more Sony Vegas tutorials, please comment down below. Tell me what you want to know. I'll try my best to help you guys out. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Peace.
You meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head.